The next step is to attach our elastic. Now you may see some of the other videos where you see a pink elastic. Well, I decided that after I sewed the sample that I did not like the pink elastic, so we're just going to use a black elastic and basically fold over the edge so no elastic will show. So in order to do this, I'm just going to get the elastic started. And then we're going to be doing this on the back side, basically on the inside of the tank. So I always like to start in the back somewhere. So I'm going to line this up, and I'm not actually going to cut anything off at this point. And you can give your elastic a little bit of a tug, just because we're going to be going, the neckline is pretty wide and we don't want it to gape. And just as you're going around, just make sure that you don't have a bundle of fabric underneath, which could cause you to ruin your garment. And also make sure you're not cutting your elastic. Coming back over here to where I started. And I'm basically going to cross my elastic and run it straight off. Okay. The next will be the armholes. So I always start in the back. And when you're getting to the shoulder, you can probably try and put your seam towards one side so it's not flipping like this. So you're just going to have to pay attention. It's no big deal if it's not, you just may actually see it. Okay, one armhole to go. The last step will be to zigzag to finish our neckline. So to finish the neckline, we're going to turn it under and we're going to do a zigzag stitch. If you have a cover stitch, you can also do the cover stitch at this point. You don't want to use a straight stitch because it's really not going to be a good choice. Okay, so I have it folded over and we've got a zigzag, and you may need to pull your fabric as you're going. So I'm just having to pull it slightly. Basically just to pull the elastic from underneath straight. And so use your fingers to kind of pull your fabric. And I'm just stitching over where I started by about an inch. And that'll basically be my back stitch. Okay. And I always start in the back or out of your line of sight. One to go. And our neckline is complete.